Hi guys, Lindsay Duff here. It is Friday, August the 9th. I have been waiting for about the last hour and a half for my data to refresh. So that's been fun. It's uploaded, it's good, it's going now. I am considering making the switch over to NinjaTrader 8. I've been told a few wonderful things about it. The problem that I'm having right now is the MACDs that I'm using on my charts that are on the other screen, my 41 to 81 and my 610. They are different from the MACDs I'm using here. The colors change for different reasons. And I want to make the switch over to those, but I want to make sure that I'm going to be able to have them on 8. And I'm going to have to reorder some of my curriculum so that my students know how to use them as well. Another thing is I'm struggling to kind of explain why it's changing. And until I can do that completely, I don't want to put it in my curriculum and just have half of the material that's really needed. So let's go ahead and check out the market really quick. It sure does look like it wants to push up from here. Let's look at the daily chart really quick first. Ooh. Look at this, y'all. It pulled up to that area and boom, it's pushing right off of it. The MACDs are not pushing down with the kind of strength that they were prior, but it's not going to be hard for them to get down there and get on down. So I guess we'll just have to watch and see. Maybe this will finally pull away and then get down below this area and start making a lot more moves to the downside. Not that I am all excited about this market going down, but it does help us to be able to work with areas to create a bounce and be able to just have a lot more to play with. When it drops like a rock, right? Like it's doing now. Oh, look, we got a nice little pullback in here. God, that would have been beautiful. Gave a great opportunity for entry back in here and right in here and right in here. So there was quite a few opportunities to be in this particular move. Just looking at those BBs going up pretty strong in the 1597, but this is it. This is our signal. Okay. I'm at a break even, so if it decides to pull back, really the good spot for this is right behind this little pullback. But we can see what's happening here. It's really just not giving a strong follow through, so it may come back, snag this and go down. And if it does, I'll be ready. I'm gonna go ahead and close that out. I don't know if it hit my risk. It hasn't hit my risk, but I will be prepared for the next one if it pulls back. It's given a good sign to pull back a little bit further. Woo, doggy. That's exactly where I anticipated it to pull down to. Oh, grab me. It's not gonna grab me. There we go. Go. That little pullback was just golden for this. Now, let's see if this is gonna really follow through and push through everything. Okay, so I moved my wrist down a little too quickly, but hey. Let's see. Oh, I took some vitamins earlier, and my stomach is feeling super queasy right now. Like, very queasy. I think I'm gonna step away for a minute and just lay down, close my eyes for a sec, take a few drinks of water, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I took a break for a little while. I am feeling much better, but I'm done with trading for the day. I just looked at some things that were going on, and it looks beautiful. There's a lot of good moves, but I also know that it's Friday at 1 o'clock. I have some emails I need to answer. I have some things I want to take care of, and then I want to enjoy my evening. This weekend, I will definitely be around doing a little bit of work. I feel like if we're not constantly working towards our goals and I don't want to say constantly working to better ourselves, because, that tells ourselves that we don't appreciate who we are right now, but constantly working to better my mindset and just improve. There's nothing wrong with wanting to improve. You can appreciate who you are right now and still want to improve. So let's just go over these couple of trades really quick, and then we're going to call it a day. I did take 2 trades. My first one right here, +2 and plus a tick. And then right here, this one was a good one. The first one plus 2.0, and the next one plus 3.75. So that's going to make for 2 trades. All right. We're going to call that a day. With that being said, I hope that everybody has a fabulous weekend, a wonderful Friday. Remember, guys, we don't have to win every trade, but when we're sitting there paying attention and we're focused, it's so much easier to go with the flow than when we're distracted. And we can have things going on and still pay attention. I am the multitasking freaking queen, but I still try and give the market all my attention when I'm here, because if I don't, my mind is on so many other things and not the right thing to do. So if you guys got questions, definitely please let me know. I love when y'all comment and let me know that you have questions. It helps me to put you guys on the right direction, and it also lets me know that you're listening. I don't like to say the like and subscribe stuff, because I feel really super cheesy saying that, even though people tell me I should. If you like me, you're here anyways. If you feel like following me, just click the button. If you don't, it's no big deal. But I look forward to seeing y'all back here next week. And remember, next week is school starts next week. So things have just been a little hectic. Wednesday is probably going to be my most difficult day, because I'm going to have to get some very unhappy kids out of bed very early in the morning. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday may be difficult. But my plan is to get up with them super early, get my workout in super early, and then get my day kicked off. So we'll see how that works. We make plans and it doesn't always go as planned, but we can try our best, right? So I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.